SneakERASERS sent me their instant purse cleaners for a review, so let's put these to the test on my daughter's dirty bags. Now these are instant purse cleaners to get off any scuffs or damage on the outside of your purses that have ScrubNubs technology. It is a resealable packet with 7 wipes inside of it, so you definitely have a lot of wiping power here. And you really do just use them to wipe off any dirt, scuff marks, or grime. So let's put these to the test on my daughter's purses. Now I'm going to clean all of these with just one wipe, as I imagine this one huge wipe is plenty. And on this one, it's more of a shiny faux leather, and you can see it, there's a bit of dirt and grime on the front. Comes right off like it was never there. I really love how this cloth is smooth on one side and does have these like little nubs on the other side to help really scrub. It looks like she colored on the back of it here. Wasn't a challenge at all, totally clean. Now this one's going to be a real test. She says this is permanent marker. It's been on here for over a year. Let's see if this can get it off. It is coming off. I do not believe it was permanent marker. But what I love is with all that rubbing, I didn't actually damage any of the stencil on the bag. It only took off what it was supposed to take off. So let's see if we can get off that mark right there. Now I couldn't get that one off completely, but way better than it was. So all those scuffs in your bag, you really can just take right off with purse wipes. These are exceptionally powerful, and I love that you can keep one of these bags in your purse so you can give it a quick wipe when it gets the grime or dirt or whatever on it, so you can catch it before it really sinks in. Really nice and easy to use instant purse cleaner. Purse Wipes Plus.